So we have our lovely assistant, Hannah. And when you walk into the room, you have, this is the little kitchenette sort of area. So this is a mini fridge. Definitely not super big, but big enough to keep like drinks and yogurt and such. And then on the wall here, you have flat screen TV and plenty of storage space. One thing that's nice, this is a freshly refurbed room. They added a ton of storage. You have hooks here, and then you come into the bathroom. Hello. You've got extra toilet paper, an iron, a hairdryer, a full ironing board, which is really nice. You can store stuff in this little exposed closet sort of thing. More storage down underneath the sink, and a trash can there. You've got your sink, tons of counter space, and more storage space up here, and the mirror for doing makeup. And then when you walk into the bathroom, again, these were just recently redone. You've got toilet, bathtub, pretty, you know, normal bathtub. And then when you come back out, we've got one bed already set up. That is the regular bed. And then you have a table bed here, which Hannah is going to demonstrate for us. So you just move the chairs right out of the way. And you grab the handle. And that table folds right down and exposes Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Oh, that's adorable.
So that is adorable. And then you've got sports, movies, and music all represented right there for the 3 all-star resorts. And then you can put it up basically the same way you just pulled it down. So that's fantastic. Super easy. And it gives you plenty more storage space if you only have a party of 2, or if you put the bed up during the day. Just as a reminder, Disney now does room checks every day, so even if you decline mousekeeping, someone will come into your room to check and make sure everything is in working order, and they will also collect your trash each day. So they have not called us about declining mousekeeping. We also didn't go check, but you can always check with the front desk to see if that resort is participating. If you decline mousekeeping, they give you a gift card. The amount depends on how many nights you are staying. So we might go check that out. But with that being said, I will talk to you guys again on Thursday with a vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.